There comes a point in your life when something happens, something so unexpected, so powerful, that it breaks your understanding of everything you thought you knew. You thought you understood success. You thought you knew pain. You thought you knew who you were until life decided to show you otherwise. That moment, it's not destruction, it's awakening, because sometimes you have to be broken by truth to be rebuilt by purpose. The illusion of knowing we live in a world that rewards certainty. Everyone wants to look confident, to act like they have it all figured out. But deep down, most of us are lost in illusions, believing in what we were taught, never questioning, never exploring. We mistake routine for wisdom and comfort for peace, and then life comes along and smashes that illusion into dust. It breaks everything, your logic, your pride, your identity, and suddenly you realize you've been living someone else's version of truth. When the old world collapses, when the world you built in your head starts to crumble, don't panic. It's not the end, it's the beginning of consciousness. Because every collapse clears the ground for something real, you start to see how blind you were. You see how the things you chased meant nothing, and how the pain you avoided was your greatest teacher. That's when your understanding breaks, but your clarity begins. The gift of shattered understanding. Pain doesn't destroy you, it reveals you. Confusion doesn't end your journey, it redirects it. You begin to realize that life isn't meant to make sense all the time. It's meant to transform you. You stop asking why me, and start asking what is this teaching me. You stop clinging to who you were and start becoming who you're meant to be. Because every time something breaks, something truer is born inside you. The new understanding, and one day you'll look back and understand. The moment that broke you was actually the moment that rebuilt you. The darkness you feared became your guide. The confusion you hated became your clarity. The loss you cried over became your foundation. You'll see that nothing was random. Every pain had a purpose. Every ending was just a disguised beginning. So if your understanding of everything is breaking right now, let it. Let it burn. Let it fall apart. Because what's coming next will not be built on illusion. It will be built on truth. And when you rise from that truth, you'll finally see that what broke you was never meant to destroy you, it was meant to wake you up. 1. The awakening through destruction. Sometimes life doesn't softly teach, it shatters everything you think you know. That breaking moment is not punishment, it's awakening. It strips away false beliefs so truth can finally enter. The illusion of understanding. Most people live trapped in what they were told to believe about success, happiness, and even themselves. Life breaks your understanding to free you from borrowed truths and force you to seek your own. The collapse is not the end when your old beliefs, routines, or identities collapse. It feels like death. But in reality, it's the death of illusion, not of you. Every collapse creates space for a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Pain as the great teacher. Pain isn't your enemy, it's your most honest teacher. It breaks your understanding of comfort and pushes you to grow beyond the limits of your old self. Through pain, clarity is born. Transformation through confusion. Confusion means transformation is happening. When you no longer understand life, it's because life is expanding beyond your old logic. What you call chaos is actually reconstruction in progress. Rebuilding on the foundation of truth. After everything breaks, you begin to rebuild, but this time not on lies or fear. You rebuild on authenticity, courage, and purpose. You understand that what broke you was never meant to destroy you. It was meant to wake you up.